Hey, Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and I got a question for you. Have you ever thought about changing your name for voiceovers? Well, in the old days, lots of actors, almost every actor, changed their name. They thought it would be better for marquee appeal. Well, these days, everything has changed. You have actors like Zach Galifianakis, you have Saoirse Ronan, the beautiful Irish actress. Her name looks like Saoirse, like nobody knows how to pronounce it. You have Ray Fiennes, and on and on and on. It seems like the more unusual your name is these days, the better it is. And I'll tell you why that works. Because people work really hard to properly pronounce your name if it's unusual. And then when they say it, they feel really proud of themselves. And they just keep saying it and saying it over and over again. So today, I think you really don't have to worry about it. Some people favor a single name like a Madonna, a Cher, a Christo, like that artist who wraps things, in cities. He puts big sheets of fabric around buildings and bridges and things like that. That could be useful. Sometimes it's a little pretentious as well. But whatever your reason for wanting to change your name, you got to think about this. Having a different name will not give you confidence necessarily. It won't give you more confidence and won't necessarily make you a better voice actor. What makes you get hired is because people trust you. It's because you're reliable. It's your talent, of course. It's your likability and your professionalism. These days, a name just doesn't matter anymore. So I hope that's helpful for you. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.